Hi friends, this is Sarah and I wanted to show you some cards that I put together based on the last video. I showed you the idea and then I moved on. These take a while, so I didn't think that you wanted to watch me make them, but I wanted to give you some more examples. So here's the one that we put together in that video, so you've seen that one. And then in the next one, I used a little bit brighter papers. I had already picked out the darker ones, so in the next video I was grabbing brighter, more bold, and you'll see that the similarity is more in patterns and style, but I still have a lot of colors. And then I used the 1/4-inch strips, and this one took a while, but I love how it turned out. I chose a lot of blue and reds as I put it together, and I just was using up the 1/4-inch strips. So first I sorted it. I left it out so you could see this big mess. I could have sat down and sorted, but I don't know what I'm going to make, right? Then the next one I decided, and what I mean is I would sort differently based on what I wanted. Maybe I want geometrics together, maybe I want stripes together, maybe I want to make one that's just black and white. So you can sit down and sort them if you have a plan. I have so much paper here that I just on each card went to see how it would go together. Then I had this thing that said "You Rock," and it came with supplies and embellishments that were all about fruit and farming, and I didn't really see me using them. So I put together a card front that will work with the color palette that goes with this. And that sticker was in my scraps too, and I just want to show you. You just take it, it goes from ugly, 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 and on the really long ones, I just take them, turn them around, and put them back in my scrap pile. And it's best, if you have different scissors sitting around, when you're doing this, it's best to dig out your long ones. I know lots of times you see me use my little yellow and black ones, but the nice long blades are easier for this, so you can get it in a straight line. Any scissors will work, of course. Ta-da! Beautiful. And then I'll put that somewhere on it, and then I'll mount it on probably a white card base for this one. I got the top a little crooked right there, so I'll probably go like this. And I might do another layer too. This one would be really good with a green, I think. These are all set up so that I can do another layer if I want. So I just wanted you to see, they're just fun. They're fun to see how they turn out. And I have been using, I always forget that I have it, this really nice, I have no idea how you say this, it's SOOKWANG, and it's double-sided tape that you can tear. It's really nice for these strip cards. There's also, somebody makes a red tape. I think they call it the red tape something. There's a lot of these different tapes. I don't think the tapes are very inexpensive, so if you have a glue stick, that's probably a better way to go. And then I wanted to show you one last one, but I'm not going to make it on camera. When I used Pebbles brand 6x6, this was the hanging tab thing. This one's put together a little differently, so it's still connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can get these apart nicely and tear them off, and then I'll just cut out the hole punch, and I'll have a whole bunch of these that are all color coordinated, and I should be able to make a couple of cards quickly. So just one more idea to show you. This is pretty fun once you get going on it. It does take a while and it's super messy, so it's not something that you would want to try and do in 30 minutes in an evening during the week. It's definitely a weekend kind of project. Okay, I hope you're having a great day and taking time for crafting and relaxing. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.